Make money online with Rumble. Introduction. In the digital age, the internet offers numerous opportunities to generate income online. One such avenue is Rumble, a popular video platform that allows users to share and monetize their content. This video provides a comprehensive guide on how to make money online from Rumble. Understanding Rumble. Rumble is a video sharing platform that enables users to upload, share, and monetize their videos. It differentiates itself from other platforms by offering a unique revenue sharing model, allowing creators to earn money based on video views, engagement, and licensing opportunities. To get started, create a Rumble account and familiarize yourself with the platform's terms of service, monetization policies, and content guidelines. Creating engaging videos. To maximize your earnings on Rumble, focus on creating high-quality and engaging videos. Choose topics that resonate with your target audience and ensure your content is original, informative, or entertaining. Invest in decent equipment, such as a good camera and microphone, to enhance the production value of your videos. Consider using eye-catching thumbnails and attention-grabbing titles to attract viewers and increase click-through rates. Optimizing video performance. To increase your video's visibility on Rumble and attract more viewers, optimize your content for search engines. Conduct keyword research to identify popular and relevant terms related to your video's topic. Incorporate these keywords naturally in your video title, description, and tags. Additionally, make sure to provide a detailed and accurate description of your video, including relevant metadata and timestamps. Building a subscriber base. Building a loyal subscriber base is essential for long-term success on Rumble. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel by creating compelling content consistently. Interact with your audience by responding to comments and addressing their queries or feedback promptly. Collaborate with other creators on Rumble or cross-promote your videos on social media platforms to expand your reach and attract new subscribers. Maximizing monetization opportunities. Rumble offers multiple ways to monetize your videos. One of the primary revenue streams is through video monetization, where you earn a share of the ad revenue generated from your content. Additionally, Rumble provides licensing opportunities, allowing media outlets to purchase and use your videos. Focus on creating content that has viral potential, as viral videos can attract licensing deals and bring substantial earnings. Promoting your videos. To increase your video's exposure and reach a wider audience, promote your Rumble videos on various online platforms. Share them on your social media accounts, embed them in relevant blog posts or articles, and engage with online communities or forums related to your video's topic. Collaborate with influencers or seek out partnerships with relevant websites or blogs to promote your videos to their audiences. Conclusion. Making money online from Rumble is an achievable goal with the right strategies and dedication. By creating engaging videos, optimizing their performance, building a subscriber base, and exploring various monetization opportunities, you can increase your earning potential on this platform and turn your passion into a lucrative online venture.